This 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 3330BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 38 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, LP detector, DVD player, Slideout, oven, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, awning, TV, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 3330BH is 10,769 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.